tens of thousands of people took part in the 34th Sikh Day Parade, including some high-profile politicians, as it marched from 37th Street and Madison to 25th Street. Thousands crowded the sidewalks to watch floats and performers, as well as the Guru Granth Sahib being carried on Manhattan's famous street as navy blue, yellow, orange and white traditional dresses and flags dominated the colorful landscape amidst the skyscrapers. And most significant, a float with the Golden Temple model. United States Senator Charles Schumer joined the parade in the beginning, the first time a U.S. Senator showed up, organizers told Desi Talk. Like previous Big Apple mayors, Eric Adams also joined with a dedicated banner and was accompanied by the first Punjabi elected official to Albany, Jennifer Rajkumar.
Hi, I'm Assemblywoman Jennifer Rajkumar. I'm the first Punjabi ever elected to state office in New York. I'm so proud to be here today at the Sikh Parade. I have declared April Punjabi Awareness Month in the state of New York for the first time ever. So I'm proud to be here with my community. The sky is the limit for Sikh Americans. Thank you so much.
Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. We all gather here for the Sikh Day Parade in New York City. It is representing the Sikh community across the tribe states in New York. It's New Jersey, New York, Connecticut, Virginia, Maryland, all gather here to celebrate the Sikh Day. And we represent Sikh Gurdwara Guru Nanak Darbar from Long Island, and we gather here to support our community and the Sikhs. Thank you.